Follow these steps to create a glowing portal with a sparkling particle effect in Illustrator. Let's start by creating a rectangle and drawing it as the background. Remove the stroke and add a gradient color. Select the radial gradient and set it like this. Press G to adjust the gradient handles. Select it and press Ctrl 2 to lock the object. Next, create a circle. Set the gradient like this. Open Properties and change the mode to Screen. Resize and position the object downward. Press Ctrl C and Ctrl F to copy and paste in front. Then, change the gradient again. Resize and adjust the position. Create another circle with a size of 100 by 100 px. Set the gradient like this. Open Properties and change it to Screen mode. Next, go to Window and Display Symbols. Still with the object selected, click the Add icon. Now you can add these particles using the Symbol Sprayer tool. Adjust the position and size as desired. Here's the result. Good luck and have fun. For your information, the voice you hear in this video was generated with ElevenLabs. It's one of the best AI voice tools available today, offering natural and realistic voices in many different languages and accents. ElevenLabs is already used by thousands of creators around the world to make professional voiceovers quickly and easily. If you'd like to try it, I've put the link in the description. Feel free to check it out.